Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful 1994 Dodge Viper RT10 with under 13,000 miles. We're going to go into full details on it. If you want to see underside shots, find out more information on this ride, click on the link below. Also, please like and subscribe because that's going to help us bring you more great content just like this. We're gonna go over the condition of the RT10. I'd rate this a 7.5 out of 10. It is 100% original paint, shows extremely well. Wheels have been refinished. We put brand new tires on it. They're Michelin Pilot Sports, 335s in the rear, 275s in the front, and you can still see the nipples. I just serviced the clutch, so we ordered a clutch kit for it, slave cylinder, the list goes on. So I'm gonna give you guys all of the receipts. This is turnkey, air condition has been serviced, it's ice cold, interior is extremely nice. There are minor imperfections in the original paint. So you have to remember these are fiberglass. So sometimes there's gonna be a little bit of blistering on the actual body itself, like right here. That's just dirt. But right here, there's a little blister. Front bumper fits properly. The hood is actually down and your headlights are in excellent condition. Another small blister right here, just pointing out everything. Passenger and driver's side are the same, excellent condition, no cracks in the fiberglass. The only imperfection I found was on the exhaust side, right here. So it's like someone kissed a curb. All of your inner fender wells are extremely clean. And then you can see a little bit of the dotting on the fiberglass, and that's from the factory paint. Trunk is clean, it's pretty simple. You have your amplifiers back there for the stereo, and then you can put your covers back there. So this does have the vinyl cover that goes over the whole entire section of the vehicle to protect it from weather, but it does not have a hard top. On the front end, if you go up there while I open the trunk, you're gonna see that the VIPER emblem has a small imperfection on it. I actually ordered the emblem and I will include it, and we'll put it on before it leaves too. You can see that the trunk is pretty bare bones, 94. You've got your amplifier there for the stereo and a spare tire. You still have your fuel tank cover here, which is a rare sight nowadays because you can't find them. Same thing with parts. So you can't find door cards, you can't find hoods. These cars are getting extremely collectible. And the reasoning for that is because you get 400 horsepower out of a V10 mated to a 6-speed transmission. This one's completely serviced, so you have all new tires. We serviced the clutch, we went through the interior, air condition. You can jump in it and drive it anywhere you want to go. I also have the side glass, which we have photographed in the gallery. If you want to see underside shots of it, you're going to be able to click on the link below and look at that. Interior is extremely clean. Dash does have some imperfections, and I'll show you that as we go for the test drive. Steering wheel is in pristine condition, and as I said, just under 13,000 original miles. Seat leather is very nice. Small imperfection on the bolster right here. Probably from my fat ass. Passenger side's really nice, and the e-brake and shifter boot are in excellent condition. Let me start it. And we'll take it. Oh, I gotta show you the motor. Okay, to open up the hood, you have a small release right here. And then you pull this, I don't know if it lets me, and the hood will fold up in the front. I always use 2 people, so your seat's gonna help me. You can see the engine bay is in pristine condition. It has not been resprayed. Starter was replaced recently, and as you look around it, you're gonna see that those miles are true. This is not a abused machine. Underneath is extremely clean. Differential was clean. Transmission, obviously, we just had it completely serviced less than 20 miles ago. It's ready to rock. Air condition works well. You can see all the injectors are extremely clean. All the wires are clean. No rats have gotten into this one. Air boxes are stock. Slowly close it. You'll see that it'll grab on 2 points. There you go, like a glove. Let me start it up right now. All the rubbers are really nice. I'm gonna start it up right now, clutch is in. Starts up easily. We've got a good charging system right now, so we're at 13.8 volts. Our fuel gauge is proper because I just put 5 gallons in it and we're at an incline. The emergency brake light is working, and the emergency brake does work. Temperature is slowly rising and we have great oil pressure. Radio works well as well.
Engineers in-house. That would put us ahead of the company.
And the imperfections. So you have small imperfections right here. I'm assuming someone put a set of keys on here at some point, and then the glove box, or they were Wolverine and they had really long nails, I don't know. We do have touch-up paint as well, but the dash, this color is really difficult. So a lot of guys, what they'll do is take the whole dash out, tape it all off, and paint it in the gray that's similar to this. I didn't want to do that because this is that original color, that like that, I would say like a yellowish gray. And you can't duplicate that, or I haven't seen anybody to do that yet. Ashtray's nice. Jump in it, we'll go for a ride. Clutch feels really great because it's brand new. Releases at the proper location. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna take it for a test drive. You do have your shift light, so it'll indicate when to shift. We're gonna turn right here. And okay, we're not going that way. You think it'll make it? We're gonna go a little different route today. We're gonna take it onto 84, bring it to our test road so we can show you that it actually runs great. Tires are brand new. Clutch feels great. And the AC is ice cold. So we had Brad's Automotive out of Fort Lauderdale service it. We will give the receipts to the new owner. Suspension's tight. There's no loose feeling in the steering. You have to remember, there's no traction aids, so you have no ABS, no traction control, and basically you need to know how to drive if you're going to push this thing. AC is working great. Is it getting you good?
Yeah, it is. Very good, actually.
Feels good. I love Vipers. It's just raw power. You do have, it's agile, so as long as you know how to manipulate the throttle, you can really push it through some corners. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad for you guys. See the shift indicator? Shifting in a second, nice and easy. You're gonna be able to see how the suspension feels over these bumps. Here they come. No funny sounds, nice and smooth over this dip. There's a lot of water everywhere, look at this. We're gonna bring it to our closed course so we can get some outside shots for you. Let you decide if this is the right ride for you. I apologize for the wind noise. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Thanks again. Look at this. Just like, woo! Look at the dip here.
That's at the time with the clutch.
Oh, yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying this test drive. What we're going to do right now is show you the power of a 94 Dodge Viper RT10. AC is blowing cold. It's 97 degrees here in Florida, and if you guys want to fly in, you're more than welcome to. We are about 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale airport. We'll send someone to pick you up. Yasid, Will, Paul, Ralph, or probably myself. I'll probably come get you. Oh, we got a wet surface. I won't do it with the wet surface. Take it right here to go to our closed course. Downshifts are really easy. Look at the tack. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Motorsports, Mexico.